If you are someone who does procrastinate, or you are the parent or teacher of a child who procrastinates, then this video is definitely meant for you. One of the most common misconceptions about procrastination is that it comes from laziness, and that is the farthest from the truth. Procrastination does not stem from laziness. I cannot stress that enough. Procrastination is self-protection in disguise. When your nervous system encounters a physical threat or an emotional threat, it immediately sends information to different parts of the body, specifically to the mind as well, and commands delay all action. Threat is near. This is then used by the brain in order to create chaos and ensure that no action will be taken, or that action, when it is taken, will be delayed considerably. So what is the emotional threat that you might be facing when you have a task to do? The threat is fear. There are different fears for different persons. It could be fear of being wrong, of being judged, of failure, fear of success. Yes, you may be surprised, but fear of success is a very real fear as well. There may be other fears that you specifically feel. You have to identify those for yourself. You can get out of this procrastination by a very small, simple, effective way. Break up that large task into tiny bite-sized tasks. For example, if you have to clean out an entire cupboard, one task would be to clean out just one shelf, and that is enough for the day. Set a 5-minute timer and begin to do that task immediately. At the end of the 5 minutes, celebrate. Give yourself a treat. Hug yourself. Celebrate your success. You've done it. But remember, for transformation, what you have to do must be done every day. What you do every single day leads to transformation. Procrastination comes from an inner wound. Heal yourself. Be gentle with yourself. Procrastination does not need you to be motivated. Procrastination only needs you to move now.